Hey folks, what we have right here in our yard and probably in yours is a little wildflower, one of the first of the year, called chickweed. And chickweed gets its name from after these flowers blossom, it will turn to seed, and small chicks just love to eat this stuff. Now, I'm a big fan of cartoons. I don't know if you are, but I am. And one of my favorite cartoons is Popeye the Sailor Man. And if you were Popeye the Sailor Man, toot toot, you would want to know about chickweed, because your favorite girlfriend would be Olive Oil. Olive Oil was skinny as can be. And maybe Olive Oil was drinking too much tea made from this plant. This plant is extremely high, impressive amounts of flavonoids and vitamins, and it acts as a hunger depressant. If Olive Oil quit drinking this, she might get to be a little bit heavier and maybe a little bit more attractive. But she used it also. The chickweed, she used it to get rid of wrinkles and lines. And chickweed is great for rashes on your skins, dermatitis, and eczema. Now the plant as a salad, you gotta stick through to the end, because Popeye always ate spinach to make his muscles big. He'd pop open a can of spinach and he'd eat it down, and his muscles would grow and grow and grow. And he was able to defeat his friend or arch enemy Brutus. Well, if he'd have known that chickweed has 6 times the vitamin C that spinach has, and 12 times the calcium, but the real kicker that made him strong was the iron. And chickweed has 83 times the amount of iron that spinach has. If you want to be like Popeye the Sailor Man, maybe you want to try a little bit of this flower that grows in your yard, the chickweed. Hey, this is the Mose. I love sharing these stories with you, and sharing the stories of all the gifts that God gave for you and for me. Try them out. Be careful to make sure you have a good identification. Sign up for my subscription, and I'll tell you a lot more about some cartoons like Woody the Woodpecker, and a lot more about the plants, animals, and gifts that God has given us. Thank you, and may God bless you and your family.